Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over the knife haul that I bought in the two antique shops in Pine Mountain in Cotulla, Georgia. And I'm also going to be cleaning up one I found in Cotulla. It's an old Remington, pre-1933. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. I want to show y'all something real quick, guys. This is a slip that I bought from AW Custom Designs. His name is Aaron. See, he put this custom bead on here. See right there? Ain't that awesome? But I love his work, y'all. Look at the stitching on that. See that right there? And what I'm carrying in this today is a case trapper that Deep South Cutlery sent me. They engrave, put the Knife Doctor on one side, and they put a black bear and Sasquatch on this side. I love bears, but this is a great knife. I appreciate Deep South Cutlery for sending me this, and I just love this slip. He put me a bear on there. Ain't that awesome? Appreciate it again, Aaron. But y'all go check AW Custom Designs out and tell them the doctor sent you. Okay, guys, here is a knife haul from the two antique shops that when I went on the trip to Pine Mountain and Cotulla. These are the ones I bought in Pine Mountain, and these are the ones I bought in Cotulla, Georgia. This is a Girl Scout knife. It's a cut master. See right there? And guys, this knife's in pretty decent shape. I mean, ain't much wrong with it other than the handle right there. Blades are in really good shape. It just needs some cleaning. And there really ain't much play in that blade at all. It's going to clean up good. It does have a scuff mark on the handle right there. It's like it's been burnt. But I'm going to oil it down. It should clean up real good. It's a big old bell. I love big bells on knives like this. I love it. This here is an ulster. I'm going to clean this one up here, and this one here is going to be in the auction next week on Tuesday. I'll be cleaning up some knives and sharing what knives it's going to be on the auction soon. I'm going to start to list some. But this knife's going to clean up real good. The blade ain't hurt at all. See that? How fat it is? I like that. You got the punch blade. Got a flat tip screwdriver and bottle opener. See this holster right there, USA. This knife's in great shape. So this one's going to be in the auction next week, next Tuesday. And these are knives I bought in Cotulla. This, believe it or not, guys, this knife's going to clean up really good. The handle's good and tight. It's just the blades are rusted down, but we're going to put a new edge on it. It's dull, and we're going to put a new tip. This thing's going to clean up good. If I'm satisfied with it, this one also is going to be in the auction. I'm going to try to get that blade open right there. I can't pull it open. Oh, yeah, I can. Oh, man. Check that thing out. This is going to clean up good, guys. Just wait and see. I love finding knives like this, believe it or not. This will be cleaned up real soon. This one here is my favorite. But this knife replaced these right here. Which this one is in need of repair. I'll be repairing this knife soon with the help of this knife. So this video will be out sometime next week. Probably after the auction. But I couldn't believe I come across one of these. I've never seen one of these before. But these blades are in excellent shape. The knife's in great shape. It really is. Hoorah. And this is a U.S. mess kit knife. It needs a good sharpening. These things will hold a good edge too once you get the edge on there. But it's a good little knife. It's light, aluminum handles, stainless steel blade. It will not rust. Very good knife. I'm probably going to get somebody to make me a sheath for it. It's a great little backpacking knife. These here are going to clean up like a champ too. That's a Ontario Knife Company, made in USA, old hickory. Love that. I'm going to sand this handle down some. I'm not going to get rid of that though. I got to be careful. But I am going to get all the gook off of it. It's going to look good. I might just replace the pins too. I don't know. We're going to refurbish this knife here. And this is another old hickory. See that right there? These handles are in good shape. This is going to clean up good too. Very good knife. A butcher's knife. I love finding these. But this one here, guys, I'm going to clean up right now. This is a Remington. How about that? Pre-1933. It's a pruning knife. It kind of looks like a hawk bill. They've shortened the blade some. It was a little longer. Probably the tip was broke. But it still is a usable knife. And that's how that blade is shaped too. I'm going to put a new edge on it. I'm going to sand this down. See, somebody carved a name and I cannot make it out at all. Maybe Jimmy? I don't know. But this knife's going to clean up good, guys. Just wait and see. It's nice. It really is. A Remington now. The bolster's going to clean up good. So we're fixing to do this knife right now. Okay, here it is, guys. A Remington pruning knife. Pre-1933. Ain't that so cool? Had to sand down. Jimmy is no more on this knife. You remember the name was carved in the side of that, but no more. Ain't that cool? We're going to look this one up too. See that number right there? R708. We're fixing to look that up. Here we go. This is the 13th edition of the official price guide to collector knives. It's come out in the year 2000. But remember, it is R708 right there on the back. See right there? And look over here. R708 is 3 5/8 pruning knife. It's got Coca-Cola handles for the wood. Year 2000. Mint conditions, $150. Not too bad, is it? It's a Coca-Cola wood. That's a wood handle. It's just a tough wood, guys. It's real dense. It's real tough. And it's a pretty wood too. I put oil on it, but you can see the wood grain in there a little bit. But ain't it a beautiful knife now, though? You can still use it as a pruning knife. It's got that good carbon steel in it too. That thing's sharp as a razor right now. Hear that snap? That thing looks good. Remember how rusty it was? Ain't that pretty? Ain't too bad, is it? R708. You can see how clean it is on the inside now. See, it was rusted up pretty bad. See right there? Ain't it clean? Immaculate. Listen to the snap. Love it, guys. I love finding an old knife like this, especially a Remington Pre-1933. Hoorah. Love it, guys. I gave 15 bucks for it. It was 20 bucks with 25% off, so 15 bucks. And you can use it now as a pruning knife. Awesome. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I cannot stress enough how much I love to find knives like that Remington, like that Barlow. Like they're rusted up. They just need some TLC, some repairs. I just love it, guys. I really do. And you see how well that Remington come out. That Barlow is going to come out just as well. You watch and see. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you know I'm going to be going back up there this Saturday. So I'm going to be filming up there, and I'm also going to probably hit a few pawn shops. So I can't wait to do that, because there's a few items I've seen in the video. I was kind of in a rush. I had to use my wife's phone, and hers is an older iPhone. It won't zoom out like mine will. But when I was editing the video, I seen some items in there I want to go back and get. So we're going back up there Saturday. I can't wait. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. If I can get it out of my pocket. Stay sharp.